Friday, May 16th, 2025. We're looking at the stairways leading up to the train station here at Lindenhurst on the Long Island Railroad's electrified portion of the Montauk Branch. We're going to be taking a shot of train 177, which came in prior as train 166, which has a 12-car M3 set on it. 9936 on the east end, unknown on the west end. We'll be taking a shot of it as soon as it passes by. Departs Babylon at 6:07, as this train will be bypassing this station here at Lindenhurst, making limited stops, stopping at Amityville, Massapequa, Freeport, Jamaica, and Penn Station. We're taking a look to the west here. An overcast Friday evening here. We're going to be expecting a rainstorm basically throughout most of the day tomorrow. However, Sunday should be a nice weekend, as the Lindenhurst Historical Society will be hosting its 50th anniversary open house. And we're looking to the east over here. Street going right underneath, paralleling the Montauk Branch over here, is Hoffman Avenue, which basically parallels the Montauk Branch from Babylon to right around the next station west at Copeg. Time out 6:05. We just saw a train 1258 from Grand Central to Wantagh as a revenue move, and now deadheading to Babylon. Alright, train 177 will be coming by shortly. 9941 is the leaner on the west end of the set. And again, 12 cars will be going from Babylon to Penn Station with limited stops. Right, time now is 6:11. We're going to be watching train 177 come into view shortly, as it's just making its move past Babylon interlocking. As you see it coming into view. Again, 9941 is the leader with 12.